I'm Dr. Mike Sebastian, and this is Green Space Health. It's a chiropractic and nutrition clinic in Midtown Tampa, and I want to take a moment to show you why this is different than the doctor's offices you may have visited in the past. In a typical doctor's visit, you may present with a problem. Let's say sciatic pain. It's the pain that starts in your low back and shoots down your leg. A doctor may diagnose you with sciatica, recommend something like a muscle relaxer or a pain reliever, and if that doesn't work, injections. And if all else fails, surgery. We don't like that approach for two reasons. One being, that's not the best way to treat these conditions. And two, the majority of health conditions can be corrected with some basic changes to your diet and exercise habits in passive, non-invasive therapies like the ones that we do here. So how do we do that? We start with mechanical traction. It's a way to decompress the spine and make sure that every joint is loose and mobile before you ever even start your adjustments. The chiropractic adjustments we perform here are full spine manual adjustments, meaning that we're not using any tools or contraptions and we're not letting the table do all of the work. Just old school, hands-on chiropractic, holistic and effective, the way it was meant to be, to make sure that every joint from head to toe is moving properly. We do things like manual stretch therapies to make sure that we're releasing all the tension in the muscles that may be giving you problems. We do personalized exercise plans to make sure that once your problems are resolved, you can manage them on your own. And we do things like posture correction to avoid something like the neck hump that everybody is developing from sitting at a desk too long. And all of this starts with a thorough examination on day one. We firmly believe that if you don't know the root cause of your issues, you'll never truly fix them. If you're already exercising and doing your best to eat clean, but you know you could feel a little bit better, Green Space Health is the right place for you. We don't do long-term contracts or care plans that'll cost you thousands of dollars. You could use your health insurance here. And most importantly, you're not treated like a number. You're treated like an individual patient to make sure that every time you come into this office, you feel better leaving than when you walk in.